It's been a week and a half in Lysebotn now, and even though I didn't get to do any flying, it's been really nice to catch up with old friends and just hang out. So I'm kind of sad to leave because it'll be over a year until next time I visit. So tomorrow I'll be hiking the Flørli stairs. It's 4,444 steps to the top, making them the longest wooden stairs in the world. I love my new jib. 2.4 to 2.5 knots now. Before I put it up, I was slogging along at 1.4. This guy's pretty big now. Usually lives below decks. I don't know what he's doing out here, but come on, little guy. You can't stay there. So the wind was really strong tonight, but this is a cove, so it's kind of sheltered from the worst of it, but I'll still get some wave action. 16.1 in the morning. This cabin is called Flørlistølen and is run by the DNT, the Norwegian Trekking Association. Now what's interesting about this particular cabin is that it used to be brown, but 15 years ago me and a friend of mine went up here to paint it, and well, they gave us the wrong color, so now it's red. It's pretty cool that they kept the color throughout the years, because when it was brown and the forest was denser around here, it was actually pretty hard to see it, so people would just walk past it. Here's one thing that really sucks about fjords. There's rain over there generating wind, and the wind is generating waves, but there's no wind here. So I'm going by engine, losing all my speed. Gotta say, that new jib is a godsend. Without it, I wouldn't be able to get out of here. This is Songesand. I'll probably spend the night there because it'll be too dark to continue. I'm down to oats and protein powder and some spice, but I finally managed to get this guy. So I didn't sleep much because Last night it was peaceful and quiet, and then all of a sudden that glorified motorized barge arrived. They were running their generator all night, which resonated with my hull, and then 6 in the morning they started unloading gravel. So right now 50% of my propulsion is coming from the sun. If you ever been up to Egersund, you'll notice there's a crack going through it. So one day it's gonna fall down. Won't be today, I hope. That is oats and protein powder. It'll be pretty windy tomorrow, so I gotta secure the boat. Current's really strong here. I actually steer. I was planning on going half the way to Stavanger today, but I'm just gonna anchor over here somewhere where there's no gravel barges and no ferries. That's a lot of fish. I'm heading to Stavanger. It's about 8 nautical miles. The wind's gonna pick up from the northwest. It's been 4 years since I bought this boat, and my plan back then was to prepare myself and the boat to cross the Atlantic. Spent the past month registering my boat and insuring it and getting all the paperwork that I need to go abroad. So since I'm going to the tropics, I won't be needing a lot of stuff. I won't be needing this cold weather down jacket. I won't be needing that base rig. And I'm not gonna wear wool for a year, knock on wood. So it's time to clean everything up in here and prepare, because in 2 days I'll get a crew on board and we're gonna sail to Denmark.